Hey, what's going on guys? Mahadev here and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make BerryUp, which is a trend nowadays. So first we are going to need dry fruits. I don't like dry fruits, so I'm just going to use nuts. Then cornflakes, tutti frutti. Then this is yogurt mixed with condensed milk, which is 2 tablespoons of yogurt mixed with 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. This is apple and pomegranates. You can use any kind of fresh fruits you want. And this is a thick plastic sheet. It's open on this size and we have to put it in a cylinder shape. And ice cream. You can use any flavor you want. And you can use any flavor of yogurt you want. If you don't like yogurt, you can use curd. So first we are going to take the nuts and take it a little bit and put it here. So after we put the nuts, we are going to take the cornflakes and sprinkle it onto it. Make sure nothing gets out of the plastic sheet. So next is this tutti frutti. Next we need to pour the yogurt onto it. Next is the fresh fruits. You can use any fresh fruits you want. I personally like apple and pomegranate, so I'm just going to use that. Next the pomegranate. So next it's the ice cream. You can use any flavor you want. It should be melted a bit so it can flow when we open it. Take it. Next strawberry ice cream. Next we are going to repeat the first cycle. Nuts, cornflakes, tutti frutti, and then the fresh fruit, pomegranate. So now the BerryUp is done. We just have to lift this slowly.
Wow.
And that should happen. It should spread and the whole plate should be, but this is a little bit small, so the whole plate would not be covered. And we just need to take a spoon. We just need to take a spoon and eat it. Tasty. Like this video, subscribe and share to all your friends. Bye.